In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enter or enable safe mode with networking on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the start button, select the power icon, and then hold down the shift key on your keyboard and select restart. If you're unable to boot into Windows on your Toshiba device, you can do a hard power off 3 times in a row, which entails just turning your computer on, holding down the power icon button or power button until it turns off, and then just repeating that 3 times in a row until the troubleshooting menu opens up. On this screen, select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Startup Settings. Select Restart. And then at this point, you'd be able to tap the F5 or Function 5 key to enable safe mode with networking, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.